Does roadside assistance cover car maintenance? Have you ever wondered if roadside assistance can help with regular car maintenance? It's a common question, especially for new drivers and car owners. Let's break it down. Roadside assistance is not designed to cover regular car maintenance. Instead, it is there for those unexpected moments when you face trouble on the road. Think of it as your safety net for emergencies. When you sign up for roadside assistance, you get help for issues like a flat tire, a dead battery, or running out of gas. If you lock your keys inside your car, they can help you get back in. If your car cannot be fixed on the spot, they will tow it to a nearby mechanic. These services are meant to get you back on the road safely or to a place where proper repairs can be done. However, regular maintenance tasks like oil changes, brake inspections, and engine tune-ups are not covered. These are essential for keeping your car running smoothly over time. As a teenager learning to drive, it is important to understand that taking care of your car is your responsibility. Regular maintenance helps prevent breakdowns and keeps your vehicle in good shape. If you have roadside assistance through your car insurance or a separate plan, it is wise to know exactly what services are included. Some plans may have limits on how many times you can use them in a year or specific distance limits for towing. This knowledge can save you stress if you ever find yourself in need of help. Remember, using roadside assistance wisely means calling for help only when you have an unexpected problem on the road. It is not a substitute for routine upkeep. Keeping your car well maintained will help you avoid situations where roadside assistance is needed. In summary, roadside assistance is great for emergencies but does not cover regular car maintenance. Teen drivers should focus on learning good maintenance habits and use roadside assistance as a backup for unexpected issues.